Welcome to Eternal Easy Education. In this session, you are going to learn Chapter 12, Structured Query Language. Content of this video is what is TCL commands and what is DCL commands. So, TCL, Transactional Control Language commands, are used to manage transactions in the database. These are used to manage the changes made to the data in a table by DML statements. So we can make some changes with the modifications done by DML, that is data manipulation language. This language is used to insert, update, delete the records in a table. So while doing these things, these transactions can be controlled by the TCL commands like commit, rollback, savepoint. So commit is for saving the data permanently. Rollback to roll back or restore the last commit state. Savepoint temporarily save a transaction so that you can roll back. So without savepoint we cannot roll back. So another type of language is DCL, data control language, used to control the access of data stored in a database. It is used for controlling privileges. Privileges means giving some permissions to a particular user. If a database is having many users, the user's privilege, the authorization, the user can delete, or user can update, a user can insert. So these things can be controlled by the DCL command by giving grant and revoke. Grant in the sense giving permission to one or more users to perform specific tasks. Revoke means taking away the permission from the user. So we'll see how to do the DCL commands. So before that we have to start the exam. We are doing this starting of web server to run the SQL commands. So take the tab SQL. We'll check what are the databases here. Sample is a database created by the user. So select, first to open the database, we have to use the command use database name followed by semicolon to open the database. Select star from student is to select, it's showing all the records in the table student. There are nearly 9 records. Now we'll check what is rollback save point. See here, set auto commit equal to 0. We are setting the auto commit to 0 means now it is not committing, that means not saving the data automatically. It will save only when the user insists. Then start transaction to make the transaction controls enable. These things are required for this version of SQL. Then select star from student is to select all the records. We are first selecting and seeing all the records. Then we are creating a area called Savepoint E. From the point, it will take a note of all the modifications going to be done. So under the name of Savepoint A, delete from student name where admission number equal to 101. That means we are deleting a particular record with the admission number of 101 under the name A, and we are creating another name B. Update student set name equal to example where admission number equal to 103. That means in the admission number 103 we are changing the name example. Then select star from student. Here we can see all the changes. One record is deleted and one record is updated. Then we are rollbacking to B. So we are going up to this point level. So the updation will be restored. Then we are asking to show the records. Then we are updating. So after rollback A, the first modification, that is delete, also restored. We'll check. So select start from student. We are selecting all the records. So 101 is here and 103 name is Chinna. Then save point A. Then delete from student where admission number is 101. That means one row is affected. One row is deleted with the name of with the admission number of 101. Then save point B. Another area, another point is created, and under that there is an updation. Now see here, 101 is not here, as well as 103 name is changed to example. So two changes have done. That means happened. Now we are going to roll back up to save point B. Roll back B. So the example is changed to the old name Chinna. So first transaction is, that means the transaction under the name save point B is rollbacked. Then save point roll back to A. That means a deleted record is added again. It is restored. So is it clear, children? So we have done two modifications and we have rollbacked it. So this is the use of save point rollback. That commit means it will save the records permanently. That is commit. So you have learned DCL command, that means transaction control command. Then so we learned the TCL commands and DCL commands, transaction control and data control. That's all for this session. Thank you. Have a good day. We'll have a recap. Commit saves any transaction into the database permanently. Rollback restores the database to last commit state. Save point temporarily saves a transaction so that you can roll back. Then grant permission to one or more users. So revoke withdraws the access permission. So these are the commands of data control language.